Matadors, James McDonald, Throw Rag, Rosemary's Billigoat, Big John Bates. More Big John Bates, 305 of 329 the best Americana bands and artists of all time, 60 of 186 the best post-rock bands, 120 of 161 the best neo-psychedelia bands. Nashville Pussy. More Nashville Pussy, 1598 of 1728 the best rock bands of all time, 21 of 101 the best punk rock bands and artists, 14 of 81 the best cowpunk bands. The Pitmen, Mad Heads Excel, Flesh Roxen, The Flame Trick Subs, Calamities, Pitbull Farm, Peter Pan Speedwalk, Andy Demise, The U-Men, The Silver Shine, The Strikers, The Limit Club, Les Rampants, Hank Roman III and his Jack, Tad Falco's Panther Joe Buck, The Sea Monks, Unknown Hinson, Wilkes, Devil's Brigade, Patricia Day, The Rip Men, The Living End. More The Living End, 92 of 110 the best musical trios of all time, 23 of 310 the best Australian bands, ranked 136 of 162 best rockabilly bands and artists. Mike Ness. More Mike Ness, 229 of 639 the greatest lead guitarists of all time, 211 of 298 the best frontmen in rock, 193 of 329 the best Americana bands and artists of all time. The Young Werewolves, Dave Vanian and the Phantom Chords, The Phenomenauts, Salon Betty, The Chop Tops, County, The Go Cats, Deadbolts, Ken Necroman, Elvis Hitler. More Elvis Hitler 47 of 118 The best shock rock bands / artists 14 of 23 The best gothabilly bands. The Fireballs. Hot Rod Frankie. The Termites. Hassel-Akins. More Hassel-Akins 199 of 215 The greatest classic country and Western artists of all time 7 of 75 The best musical artists from West Virginia 156 of 162 The best rockabilly bands and artists. Klingons. Mojo Nixon. Mojo Nixon. Lux Interior. Lux Interior. Stray Cats. Stray Cats. The Creep Show. Or The Creep Show 45 of 149 The best horror punk bands 4 of 23 The best gothabilly bands. The Brains. Horror Pops. Frenzy. Dick Dynamite and the Doppelgangers. Psychobilly Horrorbilly. Hank Williams Roman 3. More Hank Williams Roman 3. The best Hank Williams Roman 3 albums of all time 1090 of 1728 The best rock bands of all time 242 of 291 The top country artists of all time. Tiger Army. Mad Sing. Necromantics. The Reverend Horton Heat. The Meteors. Guanabats. Batmobile. Demented Argo. The Cramps.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.